Hi lovelies, welcome back to another Watch Me Work video. So today I have a very simple but classy pink coffin shaped acrylic nails to share with you guys. So my client's nails have already been prepped and primed, and I did lay down my thin layer of clear acrylic to protect my client's natural nails. So all I'm going to do is coat the entire nail in this gorgeous pink acrylic powder, and this pink is actually one of the BeGlamorous custom made acrylics, and I am naming this one Girly because it is a pretty pink and there are holographic pink and iridescent glitters inside of it, and it's just so adorable. So I am working with this pink in a nice thin but even layer. Because of the glitter in it, I do have to go in with my clear acrylic powder and encapsulate this nail, so when I start to file, I don't file away my glitter. So as I am now getting familiar with using acrylics to do full sets, I do not use one bead of product. I try to use as many little beads as I possibly can, but I do focus mainly on my cuticle area. So I go in and I do the cuticle area first. Pull the acrylic as far to the free edge of the extension as it possibly can go. Make sure to remove any excess product on my client's sidewalls or cuticle area, and I find moving your brush in a C motion around the cuticle area really does help to seal that wet acrylic in, so you don't have to do much filing when it comes to that area. And when I'm happy with the way that my cuticle area looks, I then start moving the acrylic up the nail. So right where that first cuticle bead stops, I'm going to place a bead of acrylic right there and move it as far to the tip of my extension as I possibly can, making sure to look at my nail from all different angles. Now I don't need to build up any stressed area or anything like that with this color, but I do need to make sure that the color is even all the way throughout the nail and there are no missing spots. And basically that is all I did for this entire set. I just went straight in with this one color. After that, I did go off camera, file, shape and buff, and all that was left for me to do is apply my no wipe gel top coat and my cuticle oil, and I will have a clip of the final result at the end of the video to share with you guys, as well as some pictures. And I am going to leave you guys to watch this one today. I just wanted to come in and just mention really quickly what I'm using and what I'm doing, just to chat with you guys a little bit. So I'm going to leave you guys here now to watch the rest of the video, and I would love it if you would leave me a pink glitter heart emoji with your comments in the comment section below. And don't forget, if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Click that subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed, and turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss a beat when I upload next. As always, I'd love for you guys to keep safe, and I'll be seeing you soon.
Yeah.